We built a gaming computer for $145. We started by searching for a base on a popular auction website. We found many offers, but none were ideal, until a listing for $72 appeared. It included a Corsair 200R case, OCZ6OW power supply, Gigabyte 99X AUD3 motherboard, 1 TB hard drive, AMD FX 6300 processor, 16 GB of DDR3 RAM, Gigabyte Radeon HD 7771 GB graphics card. We managed to negotiate the price down to $60. Next was the graphics card because the current one wasn't suitable for gaming. The decision was made to go for a GTX 1066 GB graphic card, which we were able to get for $60. The next addition was a 500 GB SSD, which we obtained for $25. We ended up with a total of $145. What do you think of the hardware at that price?